AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardbockElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have another Ameritron Al-80b. It's an older one. So it needs new resistors because it has the old caps and they are leaking. So I'm going to replace all 8 resistors, all 8 capacitors. Redo the wires over here for the buck boost and also the line setting. I'll put in brand new so-239's from Max Gain Systems. Get rid of the metal oxide varistors. Add the gas discharge tubes. Ground each grid connection right to the chassis. Clean the rotary switches with deoxit gold and the TR/bias relay with deoxit gold and the soft start relay with deoxit gold. Also going to change the meter lamps. I have a couple stock ones here. This is what a stock one looks like. And put this back over here and make everything correct. Needs a new tube. Has a really old iMac graphite tube from 1968. Writing is almost gone and the anode has shifted over to the side a little bit, so it definitely needs to be replaced. Okay, so I'm going to get to work and I'll see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. Customer wants a video of it working on 40 meters. So it's on 40. There are the settings. So megs, 1 kW slug, bird 43, PP kit is on. Audio hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, hello. I don't know, about 80 watts or 70 or 80 watts. Audio tit 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 tit. Audio hello, hello, hello. 1 kilowatt. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Works as it should. Okay, I'll let the tube cool off and I'll show you the inside. See you guys soon. Back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. You can see here are 2 of the old caps that were leaking. It's nasty. Here's one, here's another one. So I replaced all 8 with brand new Kemet capacitors. Brand new 51K 7-watt resistors installed. I retapped the buck boost and also the 120/240 connections. It's currently wired for 120. Clean the TR/bias relay with deoxit gold. Soft start relay with deoxit gold. Brand new so-239's from Max Gain Systems. New meter lamps. The stock ones, I zip tied everything nice. I put the terminal strip over here. It's done correctly now. It's all nice. Added the gas discharge tubes below the socket and grounded each grid connection directly to the chassis, and the nuts were loose. You just never want a bad grid to ground connection. So again, these 3 holes are already there, so I just add tabs and screws and solder it. It's easy, right? So clean the band switch with deoxit gold, input rotary switch with deoxit gold, tighten up on hardware, got rid of the metal oxide varistors back here. I think that's about it. Your variable capacitors were clean. So if you need any amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. This is also getting this is just my test tube, but it's getting a brand new Pentalab 3500Z. Awesome company, awesome customer service. And also same with Max Gain Systems, great people over there. Okay, so feel free to give me a call. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Again, phone number is 203-892-4119, AmpRepairGuy.com, and also HardbockElectronics.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. 73.